What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm installing a wig from Unice. The information will be below. This is a really cute black cherry wig. That's the color. It is their Bye Bye Knots wig. I think it's 24 inches, but it's a 7x5 closure. It has the pre-cut lace and it has the pre-bleached lace as well, so you don't have to bleach any knots. It's their Bye Bye Knots wig. It comes with this removable strap on the dome cap, and it has the non-slip grip around the perimeter per usual with the ear cutouts. And this is just another close-up look of the color. It's super pretty. Absolutely love it. Really quickly, this is just some of the things that came in the box. They send you a whole bunch of goodies per usual. Yeah, but if you want to see me install this wig, then you got to keep on watching. So jumping into the video, I'm just sliding off my bonnet. This is what the base of my hair looks like. I already have my hair braided and my hair slicked back for the most part. I'm just cleaning up my edges with my little edge brush right here. And really the wig is already ready to install, but the first thing I am going to do is just adjust the adjustable strap because my head is a little wide. So I just want to give myself some extra room so the wig is not too tight. And then I'm taking my cream makeup from Ruby Kisses and I'm going to put it along the bottom of the wig. Even though the knots and everything are already bleached, it doesn't really need it. I just like this extra touch to make it feel more natural. And then after I add the color, I'm going to go ahead and slide on the wig. Y'all, so as soon as I slid on this wig, my personality shifted, because you can call me Carmen or Cassandra, I don't know, but I feel like I'm a whole new person with this hair on. This color is so pretty and the texture is nice too, and the wig is also really thick. So I can tell like this is gonna be super bomb. I am gonna add some like personal touches to it, but right out the box it's still cute like this if you wanted to wear it straight. Alright, so first I'm going to do my baby hairs, because as you can see, my natural edges, they're actually thinning a little bit from all these wigs that I'll be wearing. But my natural edges kind of like stick forward, like past the hairline of the wig. So I like to put edges or use baby hairs, whatever, in the wigs to cover that up. So I'm just going to do a little bit on each side. Going to tread very lightly, just measure it out, and then use my scissors to cut them. I'm sorry my camera keeps getting dark and then going back light, but it's something with the lighting in it, so please ignore that. But anyways, so now I'm just taking my little baby straightener and curling my the edges on the wig, and then I'm going to swoop them into place using my gel. And now I'm taking some of this Glueless grip holding spray from Erica J and spraying it behind my baby hairs and behind the hairline. It is a glueless wig and you can definitely wear it gluelessly, but because I have my natural baby hairs that come down a little further, I need something to just hold it in place a little bit so you don't see my edges, and something to keep the baby hairs on the wig in place as well. So that's why I do this. And then I just take my little blow dryer, blow it, and then I'm gonna wrap my baby hairs. So after about like 10 minutes, I took the wrap off, and this is what the wig is looking like, y'all. I really, everything in me wanted to keep the wig like that and keep it straight, but I'm like, that would be kind of boring for a video just to straighten it, even though it would be super cute. So I decided to add some layers to it, and I'm going to do some body waves because we all know what hair looks like straight. So I'm like, let me just curl it to see how this hair holds a curl. So I'm just adding layers to the front of my hair, and I'm kind of doing them a little differently. I was looking up like on TikTok how other people do layers in their hair, so that's what I'm doing right here. So I'm just parting off small sections of my hair and then still cutting like away from my face, but I was just changing up the technique in which I did it, trying to like cut at like a 90-degree angle, and they said like cut like super fast and all this. I don't know, child. I was just trying it out. It actually turned out pretty good, but I was kind of winging it a little bit. I got scared at first because I thought I cut off too much hair. I was like, oh my god, that's a lot of hair. But you know, once you cut, you got to commit. So yeah, I just did layers in the front and then just like one section behind that front section, and layered that as well. So now I'm just going to curl my hair, but I'm going to curl my hair in sections. So I'm removing the front sections because this is the section that I layered. I'm going to curl that last, and I'm going to start curling at the bottom with my curling iron that I got from Hot Tools. I think this is like a 1.5-inch barrel. And so I'm just using like the actual clamp on the curling iron and curling like going away from my face, or at least I'm trying to. And then I'm doing the little method where I take like a little clip to hold the curls while they cool down, because I learned the hard way that this is the better way to do the curls. Even though it's a little more tedious, the curls last longer and stay better if you clamp them as you go. So that's just what I'm gonna do until I, you know, curl all the hair. Duh. So the whole process probably took about like 10-15 minutes to curl the hair, which wasn't too bad. Now I'm just taking them down, and as I take down the little clips, you can just see the curls and how pretty they looked. I did spray some spritz on them so that they would hold, but they look super, super cute. And these curls actually lasted a pretty long time, like for at least a few hours. Had I sprayed more spritz on it, I feel like it probably would have lasted even longer. But yeah, so once I'm done taking them down, I'm just going to use my fingers and just fluff them out. I didn't want to use a wide tooth comb or anything because I was kind of nervous of like combing out the curls, but as I was running my fingers through it, I was doing it pretty rough, and I realized like the curls was hanging in there. So, and it was like more of like a looser body wave anyway, which is what I was going for, so I was pretty happy with the result. But yes, this is it. This hair is so cute. Okay, so let me get into this hair real quick, give you the tea. The density on this hair is chef's kiss. Like, it is so nice and full, immaculate, so it made like the curls look nice. That's why I was like kind of tempted to wear it straight even, because it was just already so full. The hair texture is beautiful, zero like zippity doodah tangling, shedding, all of that jazz. Like, the wig is amazing. Yeah, so definitely scroll yourself down to the description box and click on that link and go check out this hair. You won't regret it, especially if you like this color. Yeah, it's a really, really great wig. Definitely take my word for this. But yeah, so all the information is down below. Like I said, thank you so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.